guys, so we are back with the follow-up video on question for couples habits, some of the habits that couples have.
Habit or bad habit?
I wouldn't say bad habit, I don't think
Good and
so.
bad.
Yeah, it's just habits. And who have the worst habits? All right. Ready? Who is more nastier? You or me?
No, nasty. I'm gonna use nasty. I'm gonna use that word. In other case, I'm gonna use that word. I'm not gonna say you.
All right. Who is more untidy?
Alright. Or sloppy.
Who is more untidy?
Me. But me is not an untidy person still. But when you know say two people, if you know say two people I operate something, and if you make a mistake, the next one I go correct it. If the next one make a mistake, you go correct it. You go free-minded and just say, alright, sure. You're not going to purposely say, oh, she have to clean up this or me have to clean up this or that. But, you can come out of the house to go to work and you left your pants on the floor there, so, or you left something on the floor there, so you say, when you remember, you just said, sure, but I turn off to take it up. Then I will take it up for me. Or she will say, vice versa. So, we don't call it just sloppy, but the man, me don't take that part there. But you do your part to your sloppy to me clean up after that. But me I take the responsibility for that one day.
Oh my God. All right, number 2 question. Who don't like to play?
When you play.
Play, as in play. Who really not like to play? Like, I'm not really in too much of the playing, and me I gotta take that one day. Like sometimes, especially like sometimes you play. Remember you used to say, play. You don't like to play. Fun. You remember you used to say that. Remember?
So you take that one day then?
Me I take that one there. I don't know. Say me not like to play, cause me do we play, but it's like me not like to play if me feel like me I go joke out or come towards my face or certain. That's the way me we not like to play. But apart from that, me we play. You feel like you go hold up your hand off of me or them something.
Long story short, you just broken at that. Me kind of take certain thing out there like pertaining to that. Cause sometimes when I just know you. I would try to run certain joke with you and you used to take it serious.
Very serious.
So you kind of broke out of that. You kind of loosen up in that department.
Yeah, that's true.
No, we can't run any joke with you.
Yeah, me never used to like take certain things. So like,
this time I'm just hold up on me and half of you. It's like
yes, because
I'm hold up me and stuff and you have to run.
Yeah, cause me used to say any man lick me I go chop off the hand. You used to say that growing up as a child.
I know we can't go so hold up me and half of you and go stand lick your hand and way there and touching your fingers. Easy enough? I just said demonstration.
No.
I will take it literal.
No. All right, so.
What talk about?
So seriously, me just have a fear for that from me and little pitney say me not gonna make no man abuse me or them something. It's just something in me. So me have
I not make no man abuse me either.
I have my offense and me put up my guard when me feel like, Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so it's in password. Password. Password for me for a long time. I think it's easy. Alright, come. Alright.
Who quick at the fight?
Yes.
You.
Who quick at the fight?
You. Well, back then, No.
Yes, because if me, as it's go back to the same thing that me just say a while ago. Like if me get the offense, like me feel like me we.
Well, I got in the fighting still. I don't know, but
The question here just actually play off in the first question because to be honest, me we more quicker for fight. If me feel like you come towards me, I gotta defend myself.
you have a question about who will win the fight? You have a question there?
No.
Yeah. We should have a question there. Who will win?
No, who would win the fight? You, not you. You want to say you would win the fight.
I don't want to say. Automatically.
You don't know because.
What do you mean, no?
No, you don't know.
So now you fan but.
Anyways, a fight in my vocabulary. Me not fight, but me not depend that. Me never used to fight with me opinion, so I don't know why me that fight now. Alright, so the next question is how easily you get upset? Who easy I'll forget upset?
Me. I'm a no-nonsense man.
Just like that. And you can get upset by just snapping your finger. It take one simple thing for trigger him.
No nonsense man, huh? Yeah, no nonsense man, I just said, huh? No nonsense.
But you know,
but then again, also all I'm gonna get, it kind of toned down, but we still have a limit not that far. The point of getting there not that far.
I'm gonna tell you now, I'm gonna tell you the truth. You know when me know you, me never know say you would have easily get so for years. You would have easily get so upset. Seriously. So when you say he's a no nonsense man, in the years when me just know you, me think you're okay with,
I think I was a nonsense man. He's a no nonsense man.
But
see me and come live with me are two different things.
Yes, and that is so true, guys. That is so true. But it takes two to make a quarrel, and if me no say me understand that person, whereas me try my best not do things to trigger it, and it's a form of understanding. I'm not gonna say it I gonna be perfect, but if you know say somebody you're gonna do something,
and it not only go for couples, it go for if you
anybody.
Have kids, if you have kids in a household too.
Same thing.
You have children in a household,
So
it have to be that so we can free up so with the kids then. You have to have one away, have to be the firmer one to say. Alright? When you come on to that one then I have to know what I do. Or what I say. And the one is that the one now take certain things. Or if the one have talk say this for done or that for done, it have to done.
Right.
Or else. In most cases the mother picking them with more forget with things with the mother.
Right.
When you have a no nonsense father, a different thing. Right?
Compromise. As me that said before, this compromise you have to learn for it. And some people maybe will say, make yourself be uncomfortable to make somebody comfortable. Sometimes you have to do that in a cases where say where you not like for yourself, don't do it to others. So
and in a case like that too, you compromise.
You compromise.
If I got something, nothing wrong with admitting or accepting good. But you never compromise with something where.
But the good thing about it, you can actually be yourself. Okay, guys, so the next question is, who snore more?
You.
No, be honest. Be honest on this video, okay? Mm-hmm. Honesty. Who snore the most?
Yeah, that's say you. What you would have say?
It's you.
Alright.
You know, say you.
Can you tell me so? Me do it next sleep. You know what I do when I sleep, when I sleep. You won't tell me so. But me hear you snoring too, so you know.
Listen, man.
I'm gonna take the rap. I'm gonna take the rap for that. I bully him.
Listen, I tell you the truth. It take 5 seconds for you fall asleep and start snore. Me we a talk to you, and in a 5 seconds me hear you snore. Sometimes I have to just literally laugh. Just laugh out. Just like how me is. Because we cannot
Straight
have
though, when
a...
you're a hard-working person, you know, you were tired and you fall asleep. But when
Okay.
me have work for them, I don't fall asleep though. I sleep when I done work.
Oh my god. The next question is, who always on their phones? Me I gonna take that one there.
Yeah, you better. You better. You just ask the question and just take it same time.
Right.
Rather than delay.
No. Yeah, and guys, me use my phone for business. And me
You use your
always
phone for everything.
Yeah.
Business, very right.
me
No matter of fact, she have about 5 phones.
don't lies.
Alright, I'm gonna be true. She have 3 cell phones.
Yeah.
How much 3 cell phone, 2 tablet, that are 5, 2 desktop computer, that are 7. Well, we are talking about phone, so she have 3 cell phones. So automatically she
We are
get
telling
that.
people every business. But
Automatically you get the trophy for that. Always upon phone.
I'm
Sometimes she
gonna
depend on
catch
one, yeah. She depend on one and
you know, we can't take you. We can't take you, I swear. Alright, so who blush? Like,
overall woman a blusher.
you know blush?
What is blush? I
What?
don't even know. What is blush? But blushing is more of a woman because alright, you intend for blush when you get a compliment.
Yeah.
And man compliment woman more than all man receive compliment.
Yeah, but sometimes just look, me like look upon you and you blush.
Really?
Yes. Yes.
So what me do when me blush? I mean the word all the while, I don't know. When you look at what you do when you blush.
Sometimes I get that dreamy look there.
Mm.
And you blush. Like, you know, I get that dreamy look there.
So if you want to get a blush out of me, just give me a look.
Yeah.
Oh yes, so my blush come easy. It's like a pipe. You still have the pipe and the water run. Alright. But alright.
Who blush more?
You.
You think so?
Yeah. Because me give more compliment.
I blush a lot.
My duty is a man duty for sweet up a woman, sweet up man too, you know. Yeah, but me think so woman do more blushing. Like because them have more reason to. We men give woman more give women reason for blush.
Okay.
More.
Alright, so who take the most selfie? And as you go back to the phone again, me always dip on the phone, so that I mean.
Can't wait me up and ready for your next question. I'm gonna have to deal with that one there.
Okay. It over. The question done that the one they done are over. Cause you know me and the phone.
As it comes to it done.
Yeah. Alright. Who overthink things?
You.
Yeah. Me overthink things.
You that alright, on that question there. Made a 50-50.
Me not think you beat me when it come on to
I
thinking.
said 50-50. Balance.
Me not think you balance me. Because me overthink things and that's no joke. Well, me don't know what going in your mind, but me I tell you, me think like crazy. And sometimes I think say me overdo it. Like 90% of the time. I think I overthink things. So it can be 50-50 because I don't know what going in your head.
I mean, you don't know what going on. Enough time you can see it. Because me think beyond.
Yeah, you think a
beyond.
lot, so I truth, you know, you think
Sometimes
a lot.
you come to
So.
me with something
But the
you come
thing
up
is
with
that you
something.
don't express it like that. You know, me we more express it. Like sometimes when me hear you say you did not do this, like for instance, like situation if it's something with me or your mother or your daughters, like me we say, but you have a funny way of showing it, you know? Like me I say to myself, me never know say that I go through that stage
but
there.
that's not thinking.
It is thinking.
Not overthinking. Overthinking is like you just think about the possibility for everything.
It's
like,
everything.
You pass the limit. Because I think overthinking is a form of overprotective.
Yeah.
If you know the girl them come and say, especially when they're underage, they want to go somewhere with them friend
Right.
or we'll go beyond the limit and ask them some question where and you will say, you know, ease up, you know, them go alright. And some more just easy.
Alright, so
And sometimes you will come to me with a suggestion and me even take it to another level of thinking where you say, you know, say, right, I never really think about that so far. And then again, sometimes I really see, say, all of what I think it's not really necessary. We just need to just leave all of the part out.
Right.
I mean, I go so far. But that's what I say,
sometimes.
it's a 50-50. Sometimes you overdo it, sometimes you overdo it.
Yeah.
50-50.
Makes sense.
And you're coward though, you know? Like you used to eat enough breadfruit.
No. I used to eat enough breadfruit, but me not coward. Yeah. Alright. Let me move on to the next question because
You're not coward, you know, you're overthinking, you know?
Yeah. That's a 50-50, so you used to eat all of my breadfruit too.
But me overthink with certain things, not cowardness, but I be coward with certain things like the safety, you know. Safety, because me protective, you know, me protect my own soul, you know. I protect my mother too and people them and my whole soul, family.
Protect your property.
Yeah. So sometimes we overthink in another department and put up some resistance where you may never have to take it so far, but so it's a man work.
Yeah. Alright, so the next question is who shower less?
Who shower less?
Yes. Who shower less?
Well, you know, most women bathe more than one time a day.
Yeah.
Most women bathe more than one time a day. With me now, if me there home, me not go bathe multiple time a day. Me will bathe one time. Me will bathe one time a day.
Yeah.
But if some instance I have to bathe again, me will bathe again. But most of the time.
Throughout the summer.
A woman, man shower less.
Yeah, you shower less. This is a question for me and you shower less. Because me, all in the summer, I will be a 2 time. 2 time in the summer. Through the winter, no, I not do it. But I will be a 2 time a day. So, I shower more than you. A woman for shower more.
Mm-hmm.
The next question is, who always eating? Who always eating? You.
The guilty one dance.
No. No, you.
Me?
When you're there warm, me I talk about when you're there warm. You will snack. Me eat more than you know, but you're always eating. You will snack. You will eat one biscuit, like, you know, and then you go broke off a little piece of bulla.
Alright, yeah.
And then that's what I mean. Me not talk about who eat the most, but you will eat one biscuit or like half a biscuit but your mouth a fear munch, like, you know,
So like I said, talk about
no. But it's not like you eat one good meal, but you will eat little snack when you're there warm. On the days when you're home, so you will eat more. Sometimes I not eat no snack.
You, as I said, because I open my mouth.
No, it's not always.
Give me peace. I will go take some of it too.
Sometimes.
Anything I do, you follow after. And sometimes you still don't. Or sometimes, with you You do something when me wouldn't do. Sometime of the night when me say, I like eat. Even as it is,
Yeah, that's...
Oh, you there, woman, from morning or whatsoever.
Because sometimes
you
me
eat, no.
not in the mood for eat at that throughout the time when me eat. Like if me eat, me I eat lunchtime, and if me not eat, me not feel hungry. But me with there and me I do things and get caught up and me not even remember so me eat. But before me ready for go my bed, me feel really hungry. So me go eat something.
I just sit and say I eat. Like if you don't see me in an appetite, I get it. When you see me now, you're just happy and then everything just come back.
Full line self, you guys. You hear what I say? I don't have no appetite when I not see him. Alright, so next question is, who have a nicer butt?
Yeah, most you. I'm gonna say you. Yeah, man. I'm not say my butt nicer here. I don't know about nice butt. I don't know about nice bottom.
Of course.
But me that give you that. You take it, go on with that. Colors, flying colors.
I have a nicer butt.
Alright.
Yeah, me a woman.
Yeah. Take that.
Who is more positive?
50-50.
Alright.
You agree with that?
50-50?
You don't agree with that? You want to say you? Answer the question. Are you agree with it?
Alright. Me would I say, who is more negative? 60-40.
Negative? No, you said positive.
Positive, sorry.
60-40?
Yes.
Next question. If you're going to say 60-40, you might as well say 50-50.
Alright.
Might as well.
Who drool more?
Who?
What you call it? Not you run down by your mouth. None of way. Me never see it. Like when you're asleep, me never see this. And me not have it either.
And when you wake,
Me never
see no spot, no sign.
Yeah,
Like
me not see no
anything,
sign or anything like that. Yeah. Alright, so next question. Who is the better driver? Of course, me. Just kidding, guys. Number one. When I grow up, I want to be like drive. When I grow up.
Thank you.
That's the better driver here. Alright, so the next question is, who curse more?
Basically, we mean curse, what? Bad
Curse, yes. Curse, bad word.
word? You.
No, that's not true. Who curse more, babe?
You.
Because when I hear your curse, you're not more for curse.
Cursing.
We curse, but he not curse here. But me we cuss.
We curse if it comes to the test. But
Me not hear him cuss, cause
there's no reason for cuss. Me not go cuss. So.
me not hear him cuss, and me not have no reason for cuss. So we're not a curse
So
person.
me that split that 50-50 too.
Yeah,
50-50
me not,
meaning
me,
the same level. If a 0%, a 0%.
yeah, cause me not. When me curse bad, me feel weird.
We chop it if we get mad.
But
Dark,
not here.
we chop it up. Well, me not reach that level in the house because as you said, as
Not
I always
here.
said, as I always said before in the couple questions before, no nonsense part.
Yeah.
Yeah, from your failure on certain foundation and certain rules, you know, really. And
Yeah.
everybody and the people them follow the rule and them really. Number one, yeah, if me for curse at you, you have to really get me upset. And me never reach to that level there.
Yeah, me no want to go to that
And then
level.
the people them now, them obey. So
We don't have them
me no
kind
need
of-
that me no need for God so.
No, I forgot this so. Where cuss bad word and tell each other things where not necessary and If you see we have a conversation and we feel like it got escalated,
We chop it.
zip it,
We chop the bad word. We chop it.
zip it. Yeah, we chop it, but you not chop it to me.
If you come to test.
What you talking about around there?
If you come to test, we chop it.
What is?
But bad word is a way of expressing yourself, how much you're upset.
It is a way,
If you reach that level, then
but me don't want to reach that level then.
you know, so some people just use bad word like on a daily basis, right? Like,
Yeah.
You know, like it's nothing.
Me feel like telling somebody bad word, it's a level of how much you're upset, but it can be a level of disrespect too. So when you tell somebody bad word, it can be a level of disrespect.
And then
so,
it come right back around to what I said earlier.
yeah. Once you have a level
It's
of
just a
understanding.
culture, you know, our culture that, you know, if you say certain things are bad word. Because we don't really check it, you know, it's not really bad, you know.
Yeah, but because you're angry and you say it and it's not something where you say on a regular basis, then it sounds like it's
Yeah, so we grew up on
Yeah.
that. Our culture,
Yeah.
if we say B clot or P clot or whatever,
or C clot, B, C, or D.
yeah, a bad word. But really and truly, not really bad word. It's just our way of expressing ourselves when we get upset.
P, maybe. B,
Every
C, and P.
every nation have a way of expressing themselves when they get upset.
Yeah,
The
but
Americans, them have for them curse word.
yeah,
But
when
that
they
I
get.
know.
But the thing is this, as I said before, like you're better off when you understand each other and you know you not have to go to that extent there. And if you're in a conversation where you know say I got escalate, just zip it until things calm down. Because you know, in the Bible, you know, one time I read in the Bible, only a fool get angry now. In the Bible, only a fool get angry. And you know, when I see that, you know, I start looking at myself and say, oh, so I'm a fool. Anytime I get so upset or angry, and you know, said that kind of start to.
I don't believe that. I don't run with that.
Me not.
get angry for the right reason.
Yeah, but you get angry, but you not have to make it escalate to certain
Yeah,
extent.
in a relationship.
Yes, so that's why that's why you have to have what do I call it now? Self-control. When you have self-control and you realize say your situation will go to an extent, you have to learn when to cut it. You have to start practice yourself to stop it before it reach to a certain level. Because you see, when argument get to a certain level, like when you start to tell your partner things and your partner tell you things and your argument get escalated. Remember, you know, when you say things out of your mouth, you can't take them back, you know, you don't say it, and no matter if you're angry, that can eat with somebody feelings you. So might as well you start to control yourself and have self-control in your words when you get angry. Some people just make anger take them over and tell them partner anything. Me not settle for that. You can't have a disagreement and you tell me about my body parts are coded and answered and me second for that. No, it's not going to happen. Okay, so move on to the next question. All right, so the next question is, who keep malice longer? Damn, guys. Who keep malice longer? I know me pass one another question. Yeah. Who keep malice longer?
You answer that.
You, babes.
Alright.
Yeah.
No comment. But guess what? Nothing wrong with that. Because if you don't talk, nobody can say you say. Nobody can say silent.
Listen.
We didn't have a comment. Nobody can accuse you of nothing. Nobody can say you
It's
say.
best to me, if we have a disagreement, squash it right away. Because if we make it go over in a days, best to me if you try to scratch it right away. You understand? And as me say, scratch it, just scratch it. Maybe not exactly the same time, but just scratch it. All right, the next one is OSHIT more.
I tell you, you don't want to do, man. You want to move. One a move.
Yo.
That's it. One a day.
Alright, me take that, but not all the time. Sometimes I don't go. For like 3 days.
And then when you go get make up back for them 3 days. And more.
Alright, next question. Who always sleeping, babes?
Who always sleeping?
Uh-huh.
I don't know about that. I'm not saying me.
Who sleep the most?
I don't know. You.
No.
You sleep the most.
No.
You.
Alright. Who sleep, not how long you sleep. Who sleep the most?
Who easily fall asleep.
No. Who sleep the most? That is the
I don't
question.
think that.
Alright, me now say who sleep longer. Alright, so my husband, if him dey home, he will nap throughout the day all 5 times. Nap. Just fall asleep. If him dey home. I hope this not record on this. If him fall asleep. That is if him fall asleep. Guys.
Because you get 4 or 5 hours sleep at night time.
Right. So there's a situation why him fall asleep. So, but me will sleep right through the night. No touch me. But me not sleep through the day. Like, me have to sleeping through the day, maybe about 5 times for the year. Me not normally sleep throughout the day.
Because you get enough sleep.
So me
at
get
night.
enough sleep at night time. But that goes
One
back
thing
to
we
say,
better for.
me sleep.
You sleep. Better for your sleep.
Let me tell you how me realize what I do at night when I go on bed. Because sometimes, you see, I have things on my mind, we can't, like, me not fall asleep. And then if I see, like, me not have no control over it, me just say, you know what, to hell with it. And I go sleep.
Because of you just, when you're ready, you just put yourself asleep.
Yeah.
I don't know how you do that. Or anything, I don't know how anybody do that. Me can't just put myself asleep. Not for just steady and just, if and when the sleep come, it just come. Sometimes we all get there until close to the time when we get up and start get ready for go work. And we still not asleep. And sometimes we just get up and just start get ready for go work. And we still not really getting sleep to that.
Right.
So that, you know, that been happening for years. So that's one of the reasons why I'm not up so when we get the chance. You know, I wish me did have that good sleeping appetite there. When I have the time for sleep, I can just sleep.
Alright, guys. So, the next question is, who fart the most?
Well, you can't say me because I don't hold back my fart. I don't know if you hold back your one or not, and it or stifle it. Like, me just leg on my own, you know.
Me not hold nothing.
I don't care.
Me not
Once
hold
me in my
nothing.
house, me in my zone, me in my circle. Just leg on that.
Me not.
Nobody. If you business who want skin up them face, you have one daughter where if you even belly is too low, she skin up her face. So sometimes you just let it and just put the joke out and just look on her. And I'm like, Lord. You never hear she fart to get to the world. You never hear she fart yet.
Yeah. Sometimes you used to wonder if she even do though. Because the minute you do it, anything you do,
And it's a
you
dodo. She skin up her face.
Yes,
I
anything.
just recently know you she talk about dodo and them either.
Right.
Sometimes she see her come out of the bathroom and say, why you got dodo? Yeah, I said, like, but no, she would say, me that dodo, yeah, me that dodo.
Yeah. But like if you belch, oh my god, it come like out of the world. If you poop, Jesus.
Fart.
Alright guys, so this video is coming to a close and we just wanna say
The last one that?
yeah, that was the last one.
So you never talk say last one.
Okay.
See the skip was one.
When they go back on it, it was this, the SHIT. And they skip it out. So guys, this is the final. And we just want to say thank you all for watching this video. And thank you for your support. For all of the girls that were like my husband.
Really?
Yes. bless upon yourself. Cause
There's a lot of that.
yes, they like you off on the video, babes.
So I never told me that before.
I tell you already. All right. So don't forget to like it, share it, comment it. That's all. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Share it if you care.
And subscribe too.
Subscribe if you don't already subscribe.
Tell a friend. Tell a friend. Tell a friend.
Yes.
Tell them friend.
Yes.
Tell them other friend.
And there's a part where you always say, notice you now watch the video, but then not comment. You like that part there. Notice you now watch the video now.
But when I comment, you know, when I comment, you notice you watch the video and I comment. I want to know for comment.
Comment here.
And share it. Tell
Comment.
a friend. Tell a friend.
And tell me how we doing, guys. Tell me how we doing on the channel. Tell me how we do. You can see we in the same clothes all the time, like we not have no clothes.
Clothes.
Yes, so we repeat we clothes them, guys, because we're in our house.
Clothes.
Watch out. Repeat the clothes them. Repeat the clothes them.
Me don't have no clothes.
Clothes. I'm going to take on in a closet one of them day, guys. I mean you don't have no clothes.
No.
If me ever take you in a closet, I can sell all of them on eBay and make over $100,000 US.
What I say?
Yes.
I don't buy them, then I get them.
If me for sell out your clothes them on eBay,
Clothes including shoes?
everything, clothes and shoes,
Oh yeah, well if they include the shoes then yeah.
me can make $100,000 US per eBay or sell them on Amazon. The amount of shoes and clothes.
And most time I barefoot. Most time
Like it look like in no clothes, and we are going at the same old clothes them every single time. So on the feel no way when you see we at the same clothes them I repeat, because morning time when we get up just put on anything and I eat that. Okay? So we not titivate up nothing and change up clothes every minute.
like you.
Yes. The thing is, no, I have to take off this because you know why? Like, when I see the video in that same outfit here, I think this is one of the reasons why people change their clothes on them video, because when you put on your thumbnail and put up your video, it look like the same. But I watch that video here already, because sometimes they mark you by the clothes.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Because we realize I have 2 videos and one of them gone way ahead. But because it was them in the same clothes, the next one now strive. So that's why I think that maybe we really have to change the clothes them. Well, we'll see. Follow up, guys. We are out. Adios.